Let's get in the kitchen and make some shrimp tacos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in the kitchen making some shrimp tacos. For this recipe, I'm using extra large shrimp. I've already peeled and deveined them, so now we're gonna move on to seasoning them. For the seasonings, I'm using Old Bay seasoning, garlic salt with parsley, all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, paprika, parsley, cayenne pepper, and black pepper. Once I've added in all the seasonings, I just rub everything all together to combine the flavors. This is what the shrimp looks like fully seasoned. Then I just put them in the refrigerator to marinate for a few hours. After marinating for a few hours, it's time to cook the shrimp. Over medium to high heat, I just add a small amount of vegetable oil to a frying pan. Once the oil is hot enough, I just place the shrimp in, and then I'm just going to allow them to cook on each side for about 3 minutes. I don't want to overcook the shrimp, so rule of thumb, about 3 minutes on each side. Once the shrimp is cooked on one side, I just turn it over to the other side, and then I'm going to repeat the same process of allowing it to cook for about 3 minutes. Once the shrimp is all done cooking, this is how it looks. I just remove them and add them to a bowl to get started on the tortillas. For these shrimp tacos, you can use either corn tortillas or you can use flour tortillas. Today, I'm using flour tortillas. To get the tortillas nice and warm, I just added them to a frying pan for about 30 seconds on each side over medium heat. I'm using this delicious cabbage slaw for my topping today. It is so easy to make. I was a little bit pressed for time, so I made it off camera, but the whole recipe is going to be down in the description box below for you to check out and make it for yourself. Last but not least, I assemble the tacos by adding the shrimp and then the cabbage slaw. And once I'm all done, this is how the tacos look. So simple, so easy, so delicious. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and let me know if you try this recipe and how you like it. Share it with your family, share it with your friends, share it with your significant other. Just share the video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.